guitar is it's strong, it's powerful. It's kind of like lightning. All right, today I'm checking out Los Lobos. I'm listening to Wicked Rain. Let's get into it. Man, I hope this is literally about a wicked rain. I think it is. I heard them say it was a storm up in the distance, but I mean, storm could be metaphorical as well. Could just be bad events coming. But I hope it's literally about like a thunderstorm or rainstorm or something. Just because the sound of the song, I think it will go really well with rain, with the thunderstorm. The song overall, it's like the bass line, boom, 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 boom. Just picturing that while it's raining, that kind of fits. And then the guitar is. It's strong, it's powerful. It's kind of like lightning. You know what I mean? Well, maybe it's more consistent than lightning, but it has like the impactfulness of lightning and thunder. And then you got the bass line of the song that kind of fits with just like a rain. Like it's raining, it's gray sky, boom, 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 boom. It fits really well. I hope this Wicked Rain is literal and not metaphorical about bad life events, because this would be a good song to listen to during a thunderstorm.
Oh, yeah. Help us out up there. Come on. Yeah. Everybody know that a little rain must fall every once in a while. Can I get a witness? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Rain, rain, rain. Thank you.
Yeah, that is about rain. An evil rain. I mean, I could hear the words. I just don't remember. But after I'm paused, he's talking about an evil rain that's going to fall. I think it's about a massive rainstorm. You could assume there's some thunder and lightning with that rainstorm as well. When the song kicks up, you know, when it's more than just the bass guitar going, then that's like the section of the storm when it's really lightning is striking trees. You could see it in the distance kind of thing. And then when it's not, when it's just the bass line mainly, that's a section of the storm when it's just raining. And it's raining a good amount. It's pouring, but it's just raining during that part. And that's what it felt like throughout the whole song. Like perfect song to put in the background in a movie when there's a thunderstorm or something. It's like they nailed that feeling.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. You to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.